Hi my dears, today we're gonna talk about compliments.
Pay me a compliment, Melvin. I need one. A compliment is something nice about somebody else.
This is a request from June and
Now or never.
Okay.
Happy anniversary.
Most people love to get praise or compliments. Besides giving a compliment, the quick way to show other people that you appreciate them or something they've invested their time in, whether in their appearance, their personal style, work, or another accomplishment. But the greatest type of compliment is that about somebody's efforts. Let's learn how to do it correctly. Give you a lot of credit. This phrase shows that you really see value in what the other person did or recognize your own accomplishment.
Got to give him a lot of credit.
Find this idiom in the lyrics Valentine's Day. I got you give myself credit for loving as hard as I did. I helped you fight your addiction and change your whole life, just to find myself played in the end. So this phrase shows that she sees the value in what she has done for the person. In other words, she could simply say, I compliment myself. Alright, I think we need some more practice. Let's look at this phrase in the following sentences. I give you a lot of credit. It's not easy to complete that task. Or you can put it another way. I give you a lot of credit for completing that task. Or even shortly, I gotcha give you credit. Another compliment that works quite well is hand it to you.
I gotta hand it to you, Magnus.
You use this phrase to praise someone who you don't usually praise, like someone you don't get along with or someone who proved that you were wrong. Let's put it in the sentence. I could have handed to you. You knew just what to say in that tough situation. You did a great job. Also, you can practice this phrase with words from Steve Goodman's song. I've got you handed to you, babe. You've changed my life. I never thought any woman would ever be my wife. Or I got you give credit where credit is due. And now that I've said it, I've got to hand it to you. Another way of giving credit to the person for what they did is to say, I have a lot of respect for you.
We have a lot of respect for Stuart Alsop, and we want to get a machine into his hands so he can tell his subscribers about it.
Our final phrase for today is, I'm so impressed.
Okay, I'm so impressed.
Saying this phrase, you show your positive attitude to something. You show that you are satisfied with something. Alright, now you know what to say when you wanna pay compliments to someone for someone's efforts. Let's read all these phrases once again. I give you a lot of credit. I hand it to you. I have a lot of respect for you. I'm so impressed. Now you know how to do compliments in English, so don't forget to share with them with other people.
You make me want to be a better man.
That's maybe the best compliment of my life.